Hello everyone, I am Lavanya Engali. Today we have discussed about the cell. Cell is structural, functional and fundamental unit of life. It was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 when he observed cork cell under microscopy. Cell theories: all living organisms are made up of one or more cells. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. The cells is the basic structure and functional unit of life. Cells contain information. DNA and RNA pass out from one generation to the next. Types of cells: two types of the cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. First upon is prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells is a simple primitive without a true cells. Genetic materials need the circular DNA, no membrane bonded organelles. Examples: bacteria, cyanobacteria. Eukaryotic cells, complex with the cell defined nucleus surrounded by nuclear membrane, possess membrane bound organelles, include mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. Examples: plant cells, animal cells, fungi. Based on number of cells in organisms. Unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organism made up of one single cell. Example: amoeba, bacteria. Multicellular organisms made up of many cells with the division of label. Example: human and plants. Size and shape of cell. Size varies from 0.1 nanometer to 170 micrometer. Shape depend on a functional, spherical, spindle shape and elongated. Structure of generalized cell. Cell envelope, cell wall only present in fungi, bacteria, provide rigidity and protection. Plant cell wall made up of cellulose, fungi cell wall made up of chitin. Plasma membrane, semi-permeable, made up of phospholipid biolayer, protein, regulate movement of a substance in and out. Cell organelles, in that cellulose control center of the cell contain DNA nucleus, site of R synthesis, nucleus membrane, functions, store genetic material, control the cell activity, regulate protein synthesis. Mitochondria is also known as power of the cell house, contain its own DNA and ribosome, semi-autonomous, site of cellular membrane, production ATP in generate energy. Next is endoplasm reticulum. Rough endoplasm reticulum, smooth endoplasm reticulum. Rough endoplasm reticulum have ribosome, site of protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasm reticulum, no ribosomes, include in liquid synthesis, detoxification. Next is ribosomes, small, non-membrable bonded, made up of rRNA plus protein, site of protein synthesis. Two types: 70S prokaryotic cell, 18S eukaryotic. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance between nucleus and plasma membrane, contain organelles, enzyme and other molecules. Difference between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell present in cellulose, absent in animal cell. Large central vacuoles present in plant cell, small or absent in animal cell. Present in chloroplast in plant cell, absent in animal cell. Absent expect a lower plant in plant cell, present in animal cell. Function of cells: provide structure and support, carry out essential life process, synthesis protein and enzyme, transfer material cross membrane. It all about this cell. Thank you.